Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this Whitco leichhardt sliding screen door lock. Okay, so this is a sliding screen door lock for sliding screens. If you saw in an earlier video I showed you the Tasman, which is the hinged version, but this is the leichhardt, which is the sliding version. Now one thing to know about this one is that it's actually in a box. That's because I bought it from my local locksmiths. If you buy it from your locksmiths you'll get it in a box. Okay, it doesn't come in a display pack like what you would at Bunnings. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you what's in the box. Okay, so in the box here we have our instructions and our warranty. Okay, you know what those are, so it's probably not really necessary. Okay, inside here we have our strike, which is this part here. So that's our strike. We get our turn snib and our two handles. The handles are actually separate on here. Okay, there's all those in there. Of course we get the cylinder. Now of course you do need to purchase this separately. Okay, so I did have to order that separately. Okay, inside here we got all our screws. Okay, there's two screws for the lock body. There's one for the cylinder and there's two for the strike. Okay, so that's included there. And here's the lock itself. Let's set that there. So here's our lock right here. We have our left handle and our right handle. Okay, so one will be from the outside, one will be for the inside, and here's the lock body right here. Okay, so this is the Whitco leichhardt lock body. As you can see, it's different to the Tasman. Instead of a latch, it's got this hook. Okay, and also this is different to the Tasman, okay, because it has the 3-point locking on the top and bottom with these parts here. Okay, so it's the 3-point locking connects onto these on the top and bottom instead of on the back. So, okay, and there is actually a trick to getting this in the door when you've got it like that. Okay, so and also when this comes, it comes in the unlocked position, so you can actually work it. All right, so that's your lock body. Okay, you have your handle for the outside, handle for the inside. Okay, your screws. Okay, the strike and the turn snib. Okay, I'll just quickly show you how the handles go together. Okay, so put the handles together. You need to put it in like that and turn it. Okay, just like that, if you can see it. So that would go like that. Same for the other side. Okay, you'll take your handle, pull it through there and turn it. Okay, and then you can simply pop them onto the lock body. Okay, so that would go on there like so. Okay, and when you turn it, this part here will open and allow the door to slide open. Okay, so that would be the outside. Okay, and this is your turn snib here. Okay, so this would go on the inside, so that would simply go in through there like that, and you simply turn it up like that. Okay, and then you would pop that through there and stick that in there like that. Okay, and that's what it will look like when it's on the door. You won't see any of this because you have the door covering it, so that's what you will only see the handles and you only see this part. Okay, and when the door closes, okay, it will catch into the strike just like this. Okay, and then that will lock it. Okay, and you can simply snip it. Okay, and that will lock it. Now on the leichhardt, it's actually different to the Tasman. You can actually, the snib actually locks and unlocks the 3-point locking part. Well, it looks like it's actually deadlocked now. So if you turn it with the snib, it actually deadlocks it. So that means you'll need to use the key. Okay, which means you need to put the cylinder in here like so. And you can use your key, which I have here. Okay, and there we go, and that has unlocked it. Okay, so that's a complete lock now, so that's what it will look like, as you can see there. That's a complete lock, okay? So, if you buy it from your locksmith, you'll get it in a box like that, it'll come like that. Okay, and be aware you won't get the cylinder, okay? So this lock here is the Whitco leichhardt, okay? So it's sliding screen door lock made by Whitco. Okay, it's a very good lock. Okay, which is made by Whitco. Whitco is also made by Assa Abloy as well. So it is a very good quality lock. Okay, it's a lot better quality than any other rubbish that you'll find at hardware stores. So Whitco is a good brand. Okay, and you will find this at Bunnings as well. Okay, but be aware that the ones that they sell at Bunnings are actually a little bit different. The ones that they sell at Bunnings don't have these 3-point locking attachments on them, I've noticed. Okay, so if you want the 3-point locking, you've got to purchase it from Bunnings, from your local locksmith, to get the 3-point locking compatibility. Okay. Okay, so that's your handle for that side. Okay, and this is the handle for this side, and of course the lock body here. All right, so that's your Leichhardt there. Okay, and of course the cylinder, which you actually have to purchase separately. So keep that in mind when you do order. You got to purchase the cylinder, and it's a Euro profile cylinder. Okay, and this one here is one that takes a floating cam. So what that means is the cam moves. Okay, when the key is out. Okay, so that's the type of cylinder you need for this type of lock. Okay, so you need a Euro profile cylinder with a floating cam for the screen door lock. Okay, so in the box you'll get everything you need to install the lock. You'll get the striker plate, the screws, and all the instructions are there for if you're new to this type of lock and you don't know how to install it. Okay, and this is now in the locked position. To install this, you have to have this in the unlocked position. So if those are out, you can't get it into the door. You actually have to put it in the unlocked position so those can retract. Okay. All right. So and there is a trick to this. Not very good at doing this with a key. I probably should get my screwdriver and do it. Oh, there we go. All right. So now it's in the unlocked position again. Okay, now you can install it. Okay, so that is the Whitco Leichhardt sliding screen door lock. The part number is W865317. Okay, I've only shown you the black one, but you can get it in primrose, you can get it in white, you can get it in brown, I think. I think you can get it in, I think there's some other colours depending on the door you have if you want to match. This one here is black. I think black is the most common. Okay, and I think the Whitco Leichhardt is a very common sliding screen door lock that we use in Australia. Okay, it's just like the Tasman is the hinged version. Okay, and that's very common as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.